So ito po ang latest update natin ha. Si Mayor Alice Go ay parte daw ng isang sindikato, ng isang criminal ring according to PAOC, PAOCC, sa Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission. So ito po yung report sa Philstar. Suspended Bamban Mayor Alice Go is part of a criminal syndicate responsible for 2 illegal pogo hubs that were raided by law enforcement. In an interview aired sa TV Patrol, PAOC spokesman Winston Casio said their investigation showed that Go is part of a group behind the Zunyo 1 technology in Bamban and Lucky South 99 in Porac. So pati pala sa Porac kasama din daw, kumaga damay yung pangalan nitong si Mayor Alice Go. At of course dun sa Porac, dun nakita yung mga papers na may pirma ng ni Tatay Harry Roque. Mayor Alice is part of the same criminal operation organization that operated both in Banban and Porac. While Go is former incorporator in the Baofu compound, Casio said they have reason to believe that the Mayor Go is involved in actual operations of the Pogo Hub. So as this developed, PNP reminded police officers to be cautious when accepting donations from individuals. Yan. Also, meanwhile, Pampanga Governor Dennis Pineda has issued 2 memoranda to mayors and PNP in the province regarding measures against illegal pogo. Pineda directed barangay captains to conduct awareness campaigns in their areas regarding illegal businesses and other crimes. Yan. So, yun naman. Meanwhile, at least 20,000 Filipino workers face possible displacement with the closure of pogos in the country. So yun yung mga problema dito Pag Labor Secretary Benvenido Laguesma said DOLE officials are now profiling those likely to be affected by the pogos closure so that appropriate intervention could be provided for them. Aside from that, ito po, may nakita pa. Bamban Pogos Hubs electric bills were in Mayor Alice Go's name from July to November 2023. Ito yun, yung mga yan. Talawas ito dun sa sinabi ni Mayor Alice na nag-divest na siya sa Baofu land even before pa siyang manalong mayor ng Bamban. So, hindi ko sure kung paano yung batas pagdating dyan. Minsan, alam naman natin, pag sa Meralco natin, di ba, yung pangalan natin, binenta natin yung kondo, minsan yung pangalan hindi napapalitan kaagad. So, hindi ko sure, pero, ayun nga, kung talagang nag-divest siya, bakit nga yung pangalan ay nandun pa rin sa mga electrical bill? So, bukod pa dyan, ito, nagte-trending din ngayong araw. So, lahat na ng mga Mayor Alice Go, i-report ko na sa inyo lahat na ng mga balita kasi mayroong mga picture na nahanap ang mga netizens. Ang galing talaga ng mga net from a certain Mirna. Mirna yung nakaibigan nitong sila Mayora Alice. Kaya may mga lumabas na mga ganitong picture. Yan. Tapos meron pa isang picture na kasama yung ina, posibleng ina nitong si Mayora Alice Go. Tingnan natin yun, Mirna. Trending ngayon itong si Mirna. Hindi yata ito. Those pictures were posted 7 years ago. Walang edit history ang post na ito from Mirna Masiklat, meaning legit post ito, hindi manufactured evidence. Ang tanong, sino si Pretty Pig? Sino ang kasama ni Mayor Alice sa picture? Ano ang relasyon ni Aling Mirna kay Pretty Pig? Yan. Meron yung picture nung Teka lang, nasan yung ito Yan, may mga ganyang picture na nakita doon sa Facebook ni nitong a certain Mirna. So yan po ang latest ngayon kay Mayora Alice Go. At unti-unti po na lumalabas yung buong katotohanan, di ba? Kasi ang hirap talaga eh. Maling-mali talaga yung hindi ka naman Pilipino talaga. Ikaw ay ibang nationality, dinaya yung mga papers kung totoo yung mga reports. Tapos ikaw ay magiging alkalde. Kumbaga, ikaw ang namumuno. Kumbaga, labag po yan sa ating konstitusyon. Dapat ang mga Pilipino ay pinamumunuan lamang ng kapwa natin na Pilipino talaga, na legit yung nationality bilang Pilipino. So, ayun guys, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung coverage po natin. See you po sa next video. Stay safe parati guys. Bye-bye.